Welcome back. This is day 19. Today we're working again with purple kale, papaya, strawberries, and some of the usual favorites. Step 1, destem the kale. Vunk. We're going to use a small apple, or half a large one, with the seeds intact. Half a banana. Some strawberries with their greens. Some cherries with no pits. And once again, the papaya needs to be processed. So take the seeds out. And just kind of scrape them out like that. The seeds of papaya are pretty peppery. The seeds of papaya are pretty peppery. It's kind of a funny sentence. If the seeds make it into the smoothie, you'll definitely be able to taste them. Ultimately, I guess that's not that big of a deal, but you know, it's a little bit better without them. Papaya seeds are pretty peppery. Say that 10 times fast. Papaya seeds are pretty peppery. And this is where everybody found out that on day 19, Sergei went nuts. And then on day 20, he got fully healed. And then one for yourself. Pretty good. Blend that up. Looks and smells so good. Okay, there you go. Go make a smoothie right now. Go do it.